Hi, my name is Margaret Gomes. I'm from Christ the King Church. This retreat was not at all pre-planned. This retreat was one of my friend, she asked me to come. So I just thought, okay, let's go and see what will happen. I felt the presence of God, the presence of Holy Spirit. I didn't expect that I'll feel that. I thought that yeah, I'm full of sins. Why will God accept me? But then something happened which was not expected. The inner healing part. Before the inner healing, we had confessions. So I was scared that will Father judge me because of my confessions? What will he think? What is this girl doing? But then Father Tushar said that no, you go, nothing is going to happen. Just think that God is sitting over there. So I went, and then the confession was so good. While saying my sins, I started crying. Then Father was like, yeah, the Holy Spirit is with us. It is touching us right now. That's why you are crying. Then I came back and I was going on crying and crying and crying. I was just trying to take out my pain. Then the inner healing part, it was the best, to be honest. The inner healing where we all were, before that, we all were, laughing, giggling and all. We didn't take it serious. But while the inner healing, we all started crying so loudly. We were all taking our pain out because there is no one to judge when God is there. We only need God in our life. Before coming to this retreat, few days back, like one of my closest friend from school, we didn't have a fight. It was a misunderstanding, but she trusted someone else instead of me. God says that who is your friend, she will trust you. Whatever happens, she should have faith in you. But maybe it's God's will that God will send someone better than her, and it's okay. When we have God in our life, we don't need anyone. God is our best friend. God is our only friend, our supporter, everything. If we are in pain, He will take us out from it. So I was scared that I was scared in the house that if I say my sins, if I say everything, will my mom judge me? Will my siblings judge me? They might judge me. They have their own opinions. But then in front of God, I was so open. I just cried out loud and I felt the faith, like I came more closer to God. Now I think that rather than doing sins, it's better to be closer to God and get the love of Him. The Holy Spirit is seriously, He's always working in us. We just need to open the door and let God in. Then He will live in us. It is very good, my friend, to come over here. You will meet friends. There is happiness, there is fun, but there is praying, there is healing. Where there is you'll make friends, it's okay. But what's the best part? You'll get to know more about God. God will touch you. If something is happening wrong, then God will surely make it in a good way. If you are sick, whatever is happening, God will bring you out.